Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you add ChatGPT to Google search for instant answers. So basically what this is guys is you will have a ChatGPT extension on your Chrome and you can use this for web access as well, which is not found on a regular ChatGPT. So let's do that guys. So go over to the Chrome Web Store and go over to web ChatGPT here. So just search for this extension here and you have to add this to Chrome. So you just have to add that to Chrome. Okay, now that is added, as you can see, you can now have a one-click prompt here and a web access here as well. So as you can see with this web chat GPT extension, you can have these features as well. So you just have to press this forward slash to uh, get a command here like that if you want. And you just have to input a text here. You can also use this feature, one-click prompts here. So as you can see here, you can select a category. And you just have to go ahead and choose one of the um, prompts here that is one click. So for example, you want this one. Uh, for example, like that. And it will run this for you. So as you can see, you just have to provide more context or specific instructions. Let's try and make a random one. So as you can see, it does this for you, and you can go ahead and pick one of the random image here. So on the one-click prompts, you can go ahead and reuse that here. So all you have to do is refresh the page or create a new chat here, and you can do so here as well. So like that and there. So all you have to do is customize this one guys to your liking, modify it to whatever you need to put. So here, as you can see, and if you wanted to put it on Google search, you just have to go on Google and you just have to search for a random search prompts here. So for example, founder of Google, like that, as you can see. And now it is now giving you the ChatGPT for instant access. But not only that, you can continue this in ChatGPT, and you can also use a couple of different um, resources here, like ChatGPT, for example, Bard, which is a ChatGPT by Google basically, and Bing, which is founded by Bing, and the cloud as well, which is a new one. So you just have to create a new login for cloud here. So okay guys, that is how you can use ChatGPT for Google and for instant answers, as well as um, web access as well. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.